Okay, a little while ago, Sashi sir talked about the entrepreneurship. Many people must know the difference between a project report and a business plan. Project report is submitted to the bank to get loan. Business plan is made by us to know where we are going to be in another 5 years or 10 years. And if you want to prepare a business plan, you must know what is 6 M's, as we know 5W and 1H. We must know 6 M's: men, material, mission, method, marketing, and money, or whatever. 6 M's all of you know because you're all MBA students. If you multiply 5W, 1H and 6 M's, you will get 36 questions. If you are able to answer those 36 questions, your business plan is ready. Very, very easy. How do you feel about it? Do you like it? Good. Now, let us just look at this particular event. What is going to be done? There is a 24 hours mega event. Where it is going to be done? In SRM University. Why it has to be done? Because it has never been done. And it was the dream project of Sea Change Consulting and Mr. Prakash. And when it has to be done? When people can do it, when there is no exam. And then who can do it? Find out the right people for the program. How it has to be done? It has to be done continuously, meticulously planned, webcasting. So all this, questions have been applied here by the organizers. That is why the planning is going on very well. So far we have already completed my session is 17th session. We still have time to go. It is definitely going to be a better sessions, which is being planned. And if you look at your pizza kind of a delivery, first time US people actually fixed a bomb, time bomb in the motorbike. If it doesn't deliver in 20 minutes or half an hour, it will blast. So that is how pizza people were so committed that it must be delivered on time, otherwise it is free. So you must understand what is so important. And are we planning on our health, wealth, and wisdom? It is all, you mean to say, it is given equally to everyone in this earth? It may not be, but when it comes to time, it is equal to everybody, whether it is Obama, whether it is our Prime Minister, whether it is the businessman, our Chief Minister, a poor man and a common man. For anybody, 24 hours is absolutely common. Is it any indiscrimination here? Is there any indiscrimination? Absolutely no. So it is common to everyone. And then why we are not able to plan properly? There are a lot of time bombs. First question is lethargy. Somebody talked about, I think it was the zeal person, who said, we want to, I think Shanmuga Sundaram sir. In fact, I can recall, we want to fix an alarm and then put it off. Again, get late. So that is lethargy. And then bad habits, worry, hurry, and curry. That also kills you. And then bad memory. You don't write down anything. You don't organize yourself. And then you are unsystematic. You don't have the habit of noting down. And then bad or poor planning, poor execution. Because our Pandit Jawaharlal Nehruji has told earlier, Indians are very good planners, but very bad executioners. So we plan a lot of things, but we don't execute well. So that is very important. And then arguing and local calls, unwanted long calls. So we waste our time and then not knowing to say no. Many people invite you to many things. You must learn to say no when it is required. And then self-evaluation on poor planning. You need to have your kind of a map and you can plan. And then how things are being wasted. Cosmetics 10%, food 20%, money 30%, energy 40%, medicine 50%. If doctor gives you medicine for 6 times, you consume 3 times, you become okay and waste it. But 60% of our time we waste it consciously or unconsciously, knowingly or unknowingly. And then if anybody is going to live for 70 years, how much time we are going to spend? 29% on sleep, and look at how much we have spent on profession, entertainment, idling. It is very, very clear. I don't have to read it. And especially for waiting, at least 2% we spend time on waiting. And then, do we plan for a life partner, which is very, very important. We don't generally plan, because we try 3-4 girls. Whoever says yes first, we try them out, and then we roam around, and whoever spends money on us, we try them out. There are many, criterias. Do we select our life partner? Do we plan our money? Do we plan our time? So these are the questions, and I want to, come to the very, very important climax, of my presentation. Recently, I had been approached by Radio Mirchi. See, I know I have done a lot of programs in various television channels. It used to be half an hour or 1 hour. There was a call from Mirchi Shah, who does a very good program in the morning. You must have seen him in Saravanan Meenachi also as Saravanan's friend. He's Shah. So he called me, sir, I want to do a program with you. So then I asked him, what is the duration? Half an hour, 1 hour? He said, sir, 1 minute, sir. What do you mean? In 1 minute, what can you do? No, sir, you just keep the phone down now. I give you the topic, you prepare. You need to speak over mobile, I'll record it, tomorrow it will be broadcast. So that was the beginning of understanding the value of 1 minute. And then you will not believe, for 32 episodes, I recorded for him. Every day at 7:30, he said, Dr. Psychologist Bala is speaking, on various topics. And then that gave me a very big, revelation that 1 minute is so important. Then I checked with a lot of people in my programs. What can we do in 1 minute? People said we can pray. We can take blessings of parents. We can kiss our wife and children. We send SMS to few people. We, break 5 coconuts. We can break 10 to 15 eggs. We switch off laptop or switch on desktop. We can sing half of the film song, because any song could be 3 minutes. And we give injection to 2-3 people. And we can drink 1 bottle of water. We can eat 3 or 4 idlis. If you are very good, maybe a little more than that. And you can say a point in FM radio, and you can say sorry and convince a huge crowd, which happens, we have seen in many of the union meetings and the different kind of meetings. We can shave, we can fold dress, we can wear dress, we can draw a sketch, we can write a few lines of poem, we can sketch we can stitch a portion of dress, we can climb steps, we can get down steps, we can go to restroom, we can count few rupee notes and coins, we can dry 5-10 clothes, and we can prepare instant tea or coffee, we rob a purse, we kill someone, and you can pass 1 kilometer in your car because you are going in a 60 kilometer speed. We can sign few checks, because there are a lot of entrepreneurs sitting here. They can sign few checks, and you can also open few files in the computer if you are all very good, and you can light few lamps to tell Bala time is over, time is over. You can buy and sell stocks within a minute. You can make accident. What happened to Azharuddin's son? On the first day itself, though he was cautioned not to go very speed, he met with an accident and he died. And we can withdraw fasting. 12 days, 13 days, people go for a fasting. Within a minute they withdraw by drinking a juice. So I want to tell you here, you can admire people in a huge crowd and get their admiration. And we can reach lakh of people at this moment through net. In this 1 minute, they can catch up a lot of points. So you can cut a fruit with a knife or kill a person also. You can, with a matchstick, can light a lamp, also burn the entire forest. How we are going to use it? If so much can be done in 1 minute, we have got 1,440 minutes credited in our account every day at 12 o'clock by God. Let us all give him a big hand. And so what is good? What is bad? What is going to give us profit? What is going to give us loss? What can make an achievement? Because within seconds somebody gets a gold medal in Olympics. So it is up to us to decide what we can do with time. The final word here is: a farmer lost his wristwatch. He was working for a while, and he was searching for it at the end of the work. And there were a lot of children playing around, okay. So the children came and asked the farmer, "Uncle, what are you searching for?" And the farmer said, "You know, my son who came from abroad presented me a very nice watch, I lost it." So the children also went in search of the watch, they couldn't find it. And one particular child, he said, "Uncle, where were you working last?" "No, somewhere here only." So it was a kind of a straw, pile where he was working before he wanted to close his job. So the little guy went and came within 2 minutes with the watch. So the farmer asked him, "How did you find it?" So he told, "I went and sat near the pile of the straw. I didn't do anything. I slowly closed down all the external noises and I could hear only tick tick sound. And I picked up the watch and I gave it to you." So if you have to either identify your wife, your partner, your lovable God, or your goal, anything, focus is very, very important. So when you focus, you will plan and you will never fail. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Bala.